You go to bed, the stars are out, the full moon is glowing overhead, but when the sun rises, something's missing. No eclipse, no explosion, just an empty patch of sky. The moon is gone. No warning, no trace, vanished overnight. So, what happens next? At first, nothing feels different. The sun rises, birds chirp, you get your coffee and head to work. But if you're on the coast, something strange happens. Tides are off, way off, because without the moon, Earth instantly loses its biggest tidal force. Ocean tides drop by up to 70%, beaches stretch abnormally far, marine life is exposed and confused. No tides ire coastal ecosystems collapse. It's easy to forget, but the moon is more than a glowing rock. It stabilizes Earth's axis. It controls the tides. It slows Earth's rotation. It even helped life evolve. Without it, Earth would wobble. Literally. Right now, Earth tilts at 23.5 degrees, giving us stable seasons. But without the moon's gravity, Earth's tilt could swing wildly between 10 and 85 over time. That means the poles could point directly at the sun, or the equator could become Antarctica. Climate would become chaos. Right now, Earth's rotation slows slightly each year thanks to the moon pulling on us like a cosmic brake. But with no moon, that brake disappears. Over millions of years, Earth could speed up again until our 24-hour day becomes just 6 hours long. Imagine sunrise, noon, and sunset all before lunch. That messes up circadian rhythms, the internal clocks that control sleep, metabolism, and behavior in nearly every living thing. Humans, animals, even plants would suffer chronic biological jet lag. Millions of species depend on the moon. Sea turtles use moonlight to find the ocean after hatching. Corals time their reproduction with full moons. Birds and fish use lunar cycles to migrate. Suddenly removing the moon, it's like turning off nature's GPS, calendar, and alarm clock all at once. Confused animals don't breed at the right time. Some can't find food. Predators become blind in the night. Within a few generations, mass extinction could follow. Ever been outside during a new moon? Now imagine, every night is that dark. No moon means no nightlight. Cities won't notice, but rural areas, they go pitch black. No moonlight eel. Harder for nocturnal animals to hunt or avoid predators. Humans face higher risks at sea or in undeveloped areas. Stargazing improve, but with a cost. Even ancient cultures that track time by lunar cycles would have never developed calendars the same way. Without the moon, our entire history could have been different. So, the moon disappears. Just poof. Where does all that gravitational energy go? The moon tugs on Earth and Earth tugs back. Suddenly cutting that off could slightly alter Earth's orbit. Not a dramatic change, we wouldn't fall into the sun, but over thousands of years it might subtly change our seasons, orbital shape, or even trigger interplanetary effects. Other planets might notice the shift like a cosmic dance partner vanishing mid-step. Beyond the science, there's the human connection. The moon is part of our stories, poems, songs, and dreams. We've stared at it for millennia. Its phases guided harvests and inspired mythology. Without it, skywatchers, romantics, and dreamers would feel lost. Some people might not even realize why the night suddenly feels so different. Would humans go extinct without the moon? Not immediately. We'd still breathe, eat, and grow crops. But long-term, Earth becomes a less stable, more chaotic place. Tides become minimal. Climate destabilizes. Days speed up. Ecosystems collapse. Mass extinctions roll in. We could survive, but we'd have to adapt faster than the chaos around us. Artificial lights, ocean barriers, climate manipulation. Basically, we'd need to replace the moon with science. Now here's a wild idea. What if we replaced the moon? Could we build an artificial one? A mega satellite with the same mass and orbit? Theoretically, yes, but it would take centuries and unimaginable resources. It's easier to protect the one we already have, because, as it turns out, Earth without the moon is like a clock missing its gears, still ticking but barely working. The moon is silent. It doesn't shine on its own. It doesn't have weather or color or sound, and yet it shapes life on Earth every single day. Maybe next time you look up at it, you'll realize just how lucky we are to have it. Because without the moon, we're not just missing a nightlight, we're missing part of what makes Earth, Earth